Day one of the road trip. We made it to Oregon.
Now we're on our way to Crater Lake. Would you look at that?
We made it to Crater Lake.
It's a long way down. Yeah.
Yeah. Last time I was here was the winter and you couldn't see anything.
There's a big mountain. Look at that. Look at like all the like rocks and stuff. You ever seen a rock before?
Yeah, but this is my first rock I've ever seen.
You wanna wave to our shadows?
So we were supposed to still be in Bend today, but because of the fires, our trails were closed. So we're in Mount Hood instead. What's that?
I'm getting in with the theme.
Mount Hood?
Yep.
Nice. Driving, making some burritos in the toaster oven. It's a good day. Next stop for today, Multnomah Falls. We needed permits to get in, but it's pretty cool.
This should just be a picture. This is like my screensaver on my laptop. Look at that. So like my application's like all over your face right here.
Good, good. Yep.
No way, people.
Yeah, too many. That's the one downside. Lots of people.
All right, looks like we got some speed bumps. Oh my gosh. Where am I going? Cannon Beach?
Cannon Beach. What are these little guys?
Scandinavian swimmers. I'll make one of these guys last 30 minutes. Silence for the fallen. No, look.
Alright, I'm gonna go pee now. Cannon Beach? There's a bunch of people out here. But it feels like the end of the world.
It probably is.
It's coming. The water's coming. Wow, it just barely missed you.
Happy lady?
Yeah?
Another thing interesting besides eating a sock.
So gross. Wow. Oh my goodness, my husband's a freak. Oh, and he throws up out his neck. Today, the beach is happier. The sun is out. Our whole time in Oregon, with the exception of last night here at this beach, has been really, really sunny.
Late night, and we got Miss Nina making dinner on the propane stove. We hit so many places all over Oregon today, and tomorrow we're going to Washington.